Hello, Geo Space. Welcome to the agenda video for October 26th, 2020. This will be our first full week of the hybrid learning. Okay, so last week I only saw some of you during the transition. This week I will see the rest. And so, again, not going to overwhelm you, but I wanted to walk you through quickly what the week looks like and what subsequent weeks will look like as well. Okay, I'm not changing much as far as my delivery. These agenda videos will become more important, especially for the B group people who I will not see on the first day that we could meet or that we are scheduled to meet. And so let me explain how that works. We are looking at gravity this week, okay? So we still have the same learning target because gravity itself is a phenomena that we all experience. We're going to try our best to understand how it works, right? What it is. And so from here on forward, I am breaking the post up in essentially two sections, okay? You will have an in-class activity. That is what we will do at school in our classroom together, okay? And so this week, we're going to be doing a gravity intro demonstration. I'll be doing a little bit of a demo in class, and then after that, you will be doing kind of a simulation with gravity. Okay, so those are these first two things. Again, that's what we're doing in person. Okay, so group B is going to be doing online learning on the first day, right? So when group A is in class doing this, you will be viewing group B, the gravity play posit video. Okay, and so that is what you are responsible for. The link is here. It should open up. You click it. I think I can't log into it because I actually assigned it, but it would look something like this if you click the link. Your goal is to watch the entirety of the video. It's about 13 or 14 minutes. It details information about gravity. And yeah, a lot of information. So that is simple. That is all you have to do for your online learning day. And then B group, when you come in person, we will be doing the demonstration and the simulation. Okay, so that's all I have. Again, the most important news is that we are breaking up the week in two sections. One of them is going to be completely up to you because we're no longer specifically meeting on Teams regularly, though that is subject to change depending on projects and availability for help. Okay, so as always, you can email me at pworkman@psdschools.org with any questions. And with that, I'll see you guys in class.